Hello everyone. I go beyond designing exceptional gifts as your business and personal gifting expert. Nancy Stingone, Unique Designs Corporate Gifting. It's about moments that inspire connections and the experience that you send to your clients, friends, and family. As we look forward to the holiday season, we're committed not only to grow our community, but doing so with genuine care at the heart of every gift. Imagine every gift opening doors to new possibilities, every gesture a sense of belonging. Together, we're not just gifting, we're transforming the art of appreciation. If you want chic, call Unique, because a great gift is more than just a present. It's an experience. What moment of appreciation are you looking forward to creating and sending this fall season? Share with me below.